Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. So, in the last class, we had completed the categorical scatter plots, friends, and in this class, we will discuss the other classification of categorical plots, that is called distribution plots. Categorical distribution plots. So, in this categorical distribution plots, we have two plots to study. One is box plot and the other is violin plot. So on the box plot sample, how it look like is showed up here, and the violin plot sample violin plot is showed up here. So let me discuss about the box plot first. So since it is also a categorical plot, one variable should be categorical in nature and the other variable should be numerical in nature. Okay, so the box plot means it draws the diagram as the boxes, the distribution as a boxes. It is a distribution. Okay, it will tell the distribution of data points. Okay, how the data points are distributed. Data points means the entries of both variables. Okay, the categorical and their corresponding value, how those values are distributed. Okay, so box plot will plot the values as the boxes. Okay, so in the form of boxes. So what this means is, I will explain. Okay, let us see the day Thursday and the total bill paid on this particular Thursday. So this is the box. Okay, this is the box, this is the minimum value, and the this line represents the maximum, not maximum, this is the upper limit, and this is the lower one, and these are called the outliers. Okay, these are called the outliers. Outliers means the special ones, the odd ones. Okay, so by using the box plots, we will quickly grasp the data points distributed, in which area the more number of data points are distributed. Okay, so in that use cases, box plot is recommended, friends. So on Thursday, total bill is majorly uh, accumulated between, say, some $12 to $20. Okay, this is the area where so much of total bill is in the range of 12 to 20 only. Okay, this is the area in which the data sets points are distributed. Okay, and then when coming to Friday, the box size increases. So it was distributed from, say, some 12 to, say, some 23, like that. Okay, and then this is the minimum, and this is the maximum. These are the outliers. Okay, and then and this middle one is the median. Okay, then and coming to the Saturday also, the same formula will applicable. These dots is very much important. These dots are outliers. Outliers means the special ones, the special points to take into the consideration. So these are also the outliers. So to detect the outliers out of common ones, box plots are very much useful, friends. Okay, so this is about the box plot. And the coming to the violin plot. So violin plot is, it look like a violin. That's why the name uh, it was named as violin plot. So this is also a plot between the day and the total bill, but the graph appears like a violin. This is nothing but a simple kernel density curve will be drawn. Okay, so wherever this maximum curve, the height is there in that area, the distribution is more. It tells like that. So instead of box, it makes use of kernel density curve. Okay, so on the both sides. Okay, when the this curve is bulged, that means the data points are more here. Okay, so and the less in the range of above 30, 40 and 50, like that, friends. Okay, so here also Friday and the Saturday and the Sunday. So these are the uh, data points and their corresponding graphs in the case of violin plot. So in the next class we will discuss uh, how to draw the box plot and the violin plot, friends. Till then, bye bye, your Svira signing off. Thank you for listening.